Well, I had the idea of Marble, and the first person that came to mind was David. David's always on point. He's a master of the plate.
I phoned up Paul Hartman, who owned the chef school I went to, asked him what he thought about me going to work for David, and he asked me if I was crazy. I confidently said, yes, I am.
Welcome to Marble. I knew from a young age that I wanted to be involved in the restaurant industry or hotel industry. I got to the Tulbagh Hotel 18, 19 years old. There was this little chef there by the name of Manfred Schultz. And he said, well, my breakfast chef is on leave. Can you cook breakfast? Yeah, of course I can cook breakfast. I never cooked breakfast in my life before, literally. That all came to an end, and I ended up at Rust and Fritter with John Engelbrecht. Rust and Fritter was a very special part of my career. Everything that I've learned from working with people, food cost, my creative energies came together beautifully at Rust and Fritter. In 2011, I ended up in Namibia. In those 6 weeks, I started remembering the fishing, the cooking, the first experiences with food and product. That's how Mile 8 really came to life. I realized that the one meal that I never cooked was that meal that I never cooked for my dad, you know. The book is definitely a dedication to him. You can never go back, and I'm just very, very grateful. What's been great with UCOOK is that we've taken these dishes and we've really simplified them. For you to be able to get these ingredients delivered to your door and to be able to create something like this is pretty special for me, because I'm almost bringing my book to life. And that's exactly what UCOOK have done for you. Get people cooking together and sitting around the table together again. So I hope that happens.